Hey there, my friend. I'm Keenyn, speaking, listening, and pronunciation specialist from clearenglishacademy.com. In this lesson, we're fine-tuning the green T E and silver pin I vowel sounds. This contrast can definitely be tricky. The silver pin I sound may not exist in your first language, and the tendency is to replace it with the green T E. So lid might sound like lead, and it may sound like eat. So let's break it down step by step so you can hear and feel the difference. Starting with our green T E sound. This is a moving vowel, but not in the way that you might think. A lot of people will say that you need to pull your lips back to make this sound. But in fact, the movement happens inside your mouth with the tongue. As you say this sound, the middle of your tongue will arch up towards the roof of your mouth, E, and the sides of your tongue will press against your back top teeth, creating tension in your tongue. Green T, E. In contrast, our silver pen vowel is a non-moving vowel. The mouth stays in one place as you pronounce this sound. No movement. The tongue is very relaxed. It's not pressed against the teeth or moving towards the roof of the mouth. Silver pen, I, E, I, E, I. Now let's flood some green T words. This means we're going to say a list of words focusing on keeping the vowel sound clear and distinct. Just follow my lead. Here we go. Green T, easy, reason, believe, immediate, completely, again. Green T, easy, reason, believe, immediate, completely, again. Green T, easy, reason, believe, immediate, completely. Yes, let's try the same thing with our silver pen sound. Here we go. Silver pen, minute, business, interesting, official, condition, again. Silver pen, minute, business, interesting, official, condition, again. Silver pen, minute, business, interesting, official, condition. Nicely done. Which one felt easier? Let's try a little game. I'm going to give you a green T word, and I want you to change the vowel sound to make it a silver pen word. All right? So, for example, green T seat becomes silver pen sit, seat, sit, seat, sit. Green T ease becomes silver pen is, ease, is, ease, is. Definitely practice along and say these with me. All right. Next one. Green T peak becomes silver pen pick, peak, pick, peak, pick. Try this one. Green T lead becomes silver pen lid, lead, lid, lead, lid. Last one, green T deep becomes silver pen dip, deep, dip, deep, dip. Awesome practice. Finally, let's put these sounds into some phrases so you can practice moving back and forth between the green T and silver pen sounds. I'm going to say each phrase 3 times. The first time, listen to the phrase. The second and third time, say the phrase with me. Then I'll point to you, and that's your opportunity to pause the video and practice the phrase on your own. Ready? Here we go. Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it? I'll leave in a little bit. I'll leave in a little bit. I'll leave in a little bit. He's really fit. He's really fit. He's really fit. Are you starting to hear and feel the difference in these sounds? If not, go back to the beginning of the lesson and practice with me again. Here's a quick practice tip. When you're learning a new sound, slow it down. Allow yourself to hold that sound an extra few seconds. So instead of sit, try sit. This allows your ears time to really register the difference and helps your brain recall the correct sound more easily. So, there you have it, my friend. I hope the practice was helpful. Mastering the difference between green tea and silver pin definitely can be tricky, but focused practice makes all the difference. If you're ready to keep improving, head on over to clearenglishacademy.com for more practice with these sounds, as well as loads of other lessons to help you speak English clearly and confidently. You've totally got this, my friend. I'll see you in the next lesson.